When it comes to installing new windows in your home, many factors come into play, from style preferences to energy efficiency. However, one of the most crucial elements that often gets overlooked is the local weather. For residents of Metairie, Louisiana, the climate can significantly influence your window choices and installation process. Understanding how weather patterns impact window performance and longevity can help you make the best decisions for your home and budget. The importance of understanding Metairie's climate. Metairie, located in the heart of the Gulf Coast, experiences a humid subtropical climate. Summers are hot and humid, with temperatures often rising above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, while winters are mild and relatively short. This kind of climate can be particularly challenging for homeowners when it comes to choosing the right windows. High humidity, heavy rainfall, and occasional storms or hurricanes are all part of the Metairie weather pattern, which means the windows you choose need to be robust, weather-resistant, and energy efficient to stand the test of time. Energy efficiency in hot, humid summers. In Metairie, the hot summer months place a high demand on air conditioning systems, making energy efficiency a priority for homeowners. Selecting windows that can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without straining your HVAC system is essential. Double or triple pane windows with low emissivity coatings are a great choice for this climate. These windows have a special coating that helps to reflect heat away from your home, keeping the inside cooler while also blocking harmful UV rays that can fade furniture and flooring. Additionally, double-pane windows with gas fills such as argon or krypton can offer superior insulation. These windows not only help keep your home cooler in summer but also reduce your energy bills. When heat from the sun hits your windows, the right insulation keeps it from entering your home, allowing your air conditioning to work more efficiently and effectively. The challenges of humidity. Metairie's high humidity levels are another important factor to consider when selecting windows. Humidity can lead to condensation buildup on windows, which can cause mold, mildew, and rot in wooden frames. Therefore, it's vital to choose materials that can withstand this moisture without deteriorating over time. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are excellent options for humid climates because they resist moisture damage, unlike wood, which can warp or rot in these conditions. Vinyl windows, in particular, are known for their durability, low maintenance, and ability to retain their appearance over the years, even under the constant exposure to humidity. Preparing for storms and hurricanes. Metairie, like much of the Gulf Coast, is vulnerable to hurricanes and severe storms. During storm season, which lasts from June to November, homeowners need to ensure their windows are built to withstand high winds, flying debris, and heavy rain. Impact-resistant windows are an essential choice for anyone looking to protect their home during hurricane season. These windows are specifically designed to be shatter-resistant, using laminated glass that can endure high winds and forceful impacts without breaking. While impact-resistant windows are an upfront investment, they can save you significant repair costs down the road and provide peace of mind during storm season. For added protection, you can also consider installing storm shutters along with impact-resistant windows to provide extra defense against severe weather. Installation timing considerations. The timing of your window installation is another aspect affected by weather in Metairie. While window installation can happen year-round, it's best to plan for cooler months, typically late fall or early spring. The intense heat and humidity of summer can make the installation process uncomfortable for workers and potentially interfere with the curing of sealants and adhesives. Additionally, during hurricane season, you may encounter unpredictable weather conditions that could delay or complicate the installation process. Conclusion: choosing the right windows for your home in Metairie is more than just about aesthetics. It's about adapting to the local weather conditions to maximize comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. By considering factors like energy efficiency, moisture resistance, and protection against storms, you can make informed decisions that enhance your home's value and your family's safety. Working with an experienced window installer can also help ensure that the windows you select are installed properly to withstand the challenges posed by Metairie's unique climate.